Man, keep getting knocked out in life.
Yo, dude, what's the matter? Why the long face?
Just every time I play life, I just keep getting knocked out. It's like I just can't win, you know?
Well, have you ever tried tutorial mode? Practice your combos in tutorial mode?
Tutorial mode? No, never heard of tutorial mode.
Yeah, dude, it's super easy actually. All you do is you go to the life tab, you scroll through down to tutorial mode, and then that's where you practice all your combos. Perfect for life, man.
Well, okay, yeah, let's give it a try.
Load up tutorial mode right now. We'll get right into it.
All right, going to tutorial mode and go.
Yes! Yes! Let's go, man! Let's go!
Can't beat tutorial mode, man. Let's go. You guys, I hope you had a fun time watching that video. I had a great time making it. The whole purpose of the video is that things in life just take practice. Whether it's work, relationships, school, or anything that you're going through, things just take practice. Tutorial mode. And in time, you get better and better and better, and you level up. You're gonna get knocked down, you're gonna get beat down, but the key thing is you gotta get back up, try again, level up, go back into tutorial mode, and just, never give up on yourself.